Hey everybody, here we have various central air conditioners. This looks like a really old good one right here.
This might be a 3000.
Looks like an early 90s almost.
Or a 2000.
This old Goodman here, pretty rusty. It is a 1996. It's pretty rusty for 96. I was expecting it to be a bit older than that. Got Bristol reciprocating. Here's a temp star. Has a
96.
open scroll.
This might even be a 5000 model. I'm not
What's
sure.
left of the logo.
Jantrol, 1996 Jantrol, 2-ton.
Probably replaced to freaking carry around one or something.
Bristol compressor.
Here's a Nordyne. This one's a heat pump. It's got a coping scroll as well. 5-ton.
2010.
Yep. Yep.
I don't remember which.
It's a mammoth. Yes, I mean it is a mammoth. It's huge. It's a 5-ton. It's a Concord, 4-bladed. It's got an LG scroll.
This compressor is straight cool. 2013. 13 SEER.
Oh, it's a 13. Yeah, 2013. 13 SEER. There's an old Armstrong. Looks like it hasn't ran in a while. Concept 1000 heat pump.
10 SEER. 4-ton.
It's got a, what is that? That's a coping scroll. And for the data,
This one also has a coping scroll.
Where's the- yes. Here's the tag. I can't make it out from here. And then here's
2012 2.
Concord.
I don't think any of these have been running. It doesn't look like
You said
these
this had a
ran.
coping scroll? 2012 13 SEER. Alright. I don't know if there's any more. I think that's it. So, see you guys in the next one.